Okay, so now we're gonna, say you've made an error a couple of stitches down and you need to fix it and it's in a purl column. So again, 2 little needle stoppers and a crochet hook. Crochet hook is your friend if you're a knitter. So let's go and put that first needle stopper on that first needle so that we don't lose any more stitches. And then this is the stitch that we're going to repair because it's the purl column. So we're going to slide it off the needle. If you're scared of losing it, just stick your hook in it for now, and then put your other needle stopper. Whoops! Put your other needle stopper. Okay, so we're just going to have a close look at this stitch. So this is your purl stitch here. So let's just undo that one, and that's just pretty basic. It just comes out, and it's a long loop, and just leave that one to the back, just like you did for the other one. So let's have a look at the next stitch. And if you have a look, you see that the one leg here doesn't undo the stitch. It crosses over that stitch, and there's a stitch behind it here. So if we undo that one, just remember this is stitch number, the first one that has to be knit or pulled through. And then the other one, the second stitch, undoes that one. So let's just stick our hook in there so that we don't lose any more stitches. And if you see, that first one that we undid is what we have to pick up first, and then the second one. So in order to fix that, you would need to purl this one first. So come in from the front, pull the yarn through, and take your other stitch, bring it to the front. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's better than undoing an entire project. And then you would pull that one through, and there you have, the stitches are crossed in the proper way, and then you have one stitch remaining, which is that long loop, and that has to be purled as well. So then you would just purl that one and pop it back on your needle. These are a little bit stretched out because I've pulled them apart. So let's undo a few more and see what that looks like. Okay, I've undone a couple more here. And again, just like when we undid the knit column, you see that the stitches run straight across here. So we know that we don't pick up the first one. We work the second stitch first. And these are all purl stitches, so you have to work them from the front. Normally I could switch the project over, but I don't want to confuse anybody, so we'll just do them like this. So you've knit the first one, and now it's the second one. So you put that over top of the stitch, insert your hook from behind, and pull that through, and there you have a purl stitch, if you can grab it. Oops, I split my yarn. So now on to the next stitch. So this is the first, this is the second, so we need to work the second one first. Place the yarn over the stitch, come in from the back, and pull it through. Repeat with the next one with the second stitch. Place it over the front and purl that stitch. And your final loop, you do the same thing, lay it in the front and pull it through, and then you would place it back on your needles. And this is a little stretched out here, but you could totally ease the tension, but you can see the stitches come from over the top, and there's one coming in from behind. So it's the same all the way through. So I hope this helps you, and again, practice on a swatch. This way you're going to get really good at it. Thanks.